The person who can ruin your whole college life is the one you trust right now. Yes, and that's exactly why you need to hear this. You know, the biggest mistake you'll make in college is probably not failing an exam. It'll be trusting someone so much that when they leave, they'll take a part of you with them. And that's exactly why this one piece of college advice might save your entire college life. So I think if you are someone who's about to enter college, this is your sign to watch this video. Let trust be earned and not gifted. You know, that one thing that we are all excited about college is finding our kind of people. People with whom our vibe match. People who will be our, survival kit in college. People who will make all those boring lectures bearable. People who will become our college memory. And honestly, that's normal. Because college is a completely new place. And to survive college, you definitely need connections. You need people around you. But in the process of finding people, we often forget that one very important thing. And that is trust. College is a place where you should definitely build connections, but not blindly trust every connection you build. You know what? Mark my words, the friendship you'll make in your first year are not always the friendship that will still remain the same till your last year. Some won't even survive till second year. Now, before anyone gets offended, I am not saying every friendship is fake. I am saying people change, friend groups change, priorities change, and sometimes the people you trusted the most in your college, they become strangers. The problem starts when you trust too quickly. You meet someone, your vibe match, you sit with them regularly, you start sharing secrets, and then all your life secrets, your insecurities, your family problems, your personal life, and suddenly you have handed over your trust to someone whom you barely know. College is a new environment for everyone, everybody. We are all trying to be fit in. We are all trying to be liked. We are all trying to find where we belong. Because of that, people always shows the best version of themselves at first, in the initial days, yes. So how can you be sure that you have already seen their real character, you have already known them? No, you don't. You can't, and that's why building trust is dangerous. Because when things go wrong, and trust me, they do. You think, how could they do this to me? I trusted them. I told them everything. I gave all my trust to them. They know every bit about me. And that's exactly the point. You trusted them before they earned your trust. And I am not saying this out of thin air. I have seen it all. I have seen friendship breaks. I have seen the manipulation. I have seen people get manipulated. I have seen people feel completely lost because they give someone the access to every part of their life too quickly. So make friends, enjoy college, build connections, but let the trust be earned and not gifted. अंदर ही अंदर ये सोचो कि कोई तुम्हारा दोस्त नहीं है. हर किसी के साथ अच्छे से रहो, दोस्ती करो, enjoy करो connection, but trust किसी को मत करो. Because you know what? It's so easy for people to break a friendship and move on to another group. Or manipulation is very easy in college. So it's like better to not trust somebody than to question yourself कि यार मैंने क्या किया, मेरा क्या दोष था, मैंने तो सबको अच्छी तरह उसको ट्रस्ट किया था. इसीलिए ना किसी पे अंधा विश्वास मत करो. Trust me, मैंने फ्रेंडशिप्स को इतने डिफरेंट तरीके से ब्रेक करते हुए देखा है ना. आई हैव टू मेक अनदर सेपरेट वीडियो, लाइक अ स्टोरी टाइप वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन दैट. राइट, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट relationships. If you are the kind of person who believes in commitment, who value relationship, then please just don't get fascinated by any guy or girl in your college. Please do not rush into any relationship. इस कॉलेज में तुम्हें मल्टीपल प्रपोजल्स मिलने वाले हैं और तुम सोच भी नहीं पाओगे लोग शुरू में कितने एफर्ट्स दिखाते हैं. इतना एफर्ट्स देंगे, कितना स्पेशल फील करवाएंगे, तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते. लेकिन बाद में जब उनके बारे में तुम्हें पता चलेगा ना, स्पेशली आई एम डेफिनेटली टॉकिंग अबाउट सीनियर्स, तब तुम लिटरली ऊपर से नीचे गिरोगे एकदम ऐसे. रिलेशनशिप अगर अच्छा मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है, बट अगर एक बार गलत रिलेशनशिप में फंस गए ना, तो वो तुम्हारी पूरी कॉलेज लाइफ को अफेक्ट क्या पूरा बर्बाद ही कर देगा. मैंने अपने कॉलेज में इतने लोगों को सफर करते हुए देखा है ना, आई कैन नॉट पुट ऑल दोज इन वर्ड्स. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैंने खुद भी चीज एक्सपीरियंस की है. ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो तुम्हारे ऊपर एफर्ट्स की बारिश करवा देंगे एंड तुम्हें लगेगा तुम्हें तुम्हारा जीवन साथी मिल गया है. एंड ऑनेस्टली इट वाज वेरी क्लेवर ऑफ मी टू से नो टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और टू ऑल दोज प्रपोजल्स. इस बाद में मुझे जब पता चलता है लोग के बारे में, like I was thanking myself 1,000 times and God definitely कि oh my God, कुछ तो सही किया है मैंने. That was literally crazy, you know. I literally thanked God. और ऐसे circumstances तुम्हारे साथ भी हो सकते हैं. Because many seniors actively look for juniors घुमाने के लिए और cool दिखवाने के लिए खुद को. कभी अपने friends के सामने show off करने के लिए, you know, that they got pretty juniors. They find pretty juniors, they attract them with attention, validation, efforts. But the intention is not always genuine. और बहुत सारे juniors भी हाँ बोल देते हैं, कभी cool दिखने के लिए और कभी तो ये सोच के चले जाते हैं relationship में कि they think कि dating seniors is like kind of achievement वाला thing. But what they don't realize is that some people are laughing behind their back. Because seniors को तो पता होता है ना कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. तुम तो बस genuinely involved हो. तुम्हारे seniors को पता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो. उनको friends को भी पता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे बुद्धू तुम बन रहे हो. और जब एक साइड genuine हो और दूसरी साइड गेम खेल रही हो तो हर्ट तो तुम ही होगे ना. इसलिए मैं फिर से वही बोलूंगी, ट्रस्ट पीपल, मेक फ्रेंड्स, डेट इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड कनेक्शन, बट do not trust them blindly. This one thing I want you to take away from this video. It will be trust people, but don't trust them blindly. Never give someone so much power over your life that when they leave, your entire world falls apart. Because college is temporary, people are temporary, friend groups are temporary, relationships can be temporary as well. But the consequences of trusting the wrong person can stay with you for a very long time. And if you are entering college this year, I hope nobody has to teach you this lesson the hard way. Learn it now, not after a betrayal, not after a heartbreak, not after losing yourself. And always remember, the biggest mistake in college is not failing an exam. It's failing to protect your own self. And if you're still watching this video, then do not forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत जल्दी 1K subscribers hit करने वाले हैं. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.